Hi, my name is Brady Helton. I am currently a junior-ish here at Baker. I'm from Clearwater, Kansas, which is a small town outside of Wichita. I will be studying secondary education and history while I'm here at Baker, and I'll be getting my endorsement in special ed. That's what I really want to teach once I get out of here. I've actually worked as a parent the last 2 years and coached football and track. So this is my first time back in in-person classes in a while. Other than that, I like to spend time with my dog at home. I used to play college football. Now I'm kind of old and my body doesn't work so well, so I don't do that anymore. And from this class, I really just want to gain a better understanding of how to utilize technology in the classroom. Having been in the classroom the last couple of years, it's very apparent that technology is an important aspect in the 21st century classroom. And we definitely need to be able to make our kids ready for the college life, which is definitely very technology driven. So just interested in that and becoming more proficient with all that kind of stuff.